Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then go to grade 6 maths. Click on your lessons and find the chapter that is ratios, proportions and percents. So the topic we're going to start with is unit rates and equivalent ratios. So please before starting the topic, please make sure you have your pen and pencil so that you can note down the important points and definitions as well. Got it? Let's start with the examples. Okay, the first one is find the unit rate. 15 plates in 3 stacks. You have to find the unit rate. Got it? So basically the unit rate is a rate for one of something. Got it? This is the unit rate. You can note down the definition. The unit rate is a rate for one of something. Got it? That would be the unit rate. Got it? So you have 15 plates in 3 stacks. Basically, you need to know how many plates in one stack. Got it? So just divide 15 by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. That means you have 5 plates per stack. Per stack means on one stack you have 15 plates. Got it? So it would be 5 plates per stack. Got it? Okay, then next other example is 20 minutes for 10 songs. 20 minutes for 10 songs. Okay, that's the total time for the 10 songs. You have to find it for one. You have to divide 20 minutes by 10. This way you'll get the time for 10 times 2 is 20. So you have 2 minutes for 2 minutes per song. Got it? That means you need 2 minutes for a single song. Got it? So that would be the definition of the unit rate. Unit rate is a rate for one of something. Got it? Okay, let's start with the another example. 18 slices for 3 cheesecakes. 18 slices for 3 cheesecakes. So you have to find how many slices in one cheesecake. So you have to divide 18 by 3. So it would be 3 times 6 is 18. So 6 slices per cheesecake. That means in a single cheesecake you have 6 slices. Got it? Now let's start with a test of the topic. So here is the test. Let's just start with the test. The first one is 15 donuts in 3 boxes. So how many donuts in a one box? 3 times what number makes 15? 3 times 5 makes 15. That means in one box you have 5 donuts. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 20 apartments on 5 floors. So how many apartments do you have on one floor? 5 times what number makes 20? If you know the answers, please use the live chat option and write the answers in the chat box. Your participation is highly appreciated. 5 times what number is 20? Yes, very good. 5 times 4 is 20. Just select the correct option and click on the. That means you have 4 apartments on one floor. Got it? Okay, very good, Nancy. Okay, 12 stickers on 2 pages. So how many stickers on one page you have? Yeah, very good. It is 6. So on one page you have 60. You have to divide 12 by 2. So 2 times 6 makes 12. So it is 6 stickers. Got it? Okay, find the unit rate. 12 plants in 4 rows. So how many plants do you have in one row? Yes, it would be 3. 4 times 3 makes 12. So you have 3 plants in single row. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 14 flowers in 7 vases. So how many flowers in single vase? Yes, 14 7 times. What number makes 14 7 times? 2 makes 14. Very good, Nancy. It is 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, find the unit rate. 12 seats in 2 rows. So how many seats do you have in a one row? Very good. 2 times 6 makes 12. That means in a single row you have 6 seats. Got it? Okay, 12 chairs at 2 tables. So how many chairs do you have for a one? 2 times what number makes 12? Very good. It is 6. 2 times 6 makes 12. That means for a single table, you have 6 chairs. Got it? Okay, the next one is 12 push-ups in 2 days. So how many push-ups in a single day? It is 6. Very good. 2 times 6 makes 12. So in a single day, 6 push-ups in one day. Got it? So the answer is 6. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 20 minutes for 10 songs. So how many minutes for a one song? Yes, 10 times 2 is 20. So for 1 minute you have, for one song you have 2 minutes. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 20 cupcakes in 4 boxes. So how many cupcakes in a single box? Yes, you have to divide 24. So 4 times 5 makes 20. So yes, in one box you have 5 cupcakes. Got it? Okay, 18 houses in 3 blocks. So how many houses in a single blocks? It would be 6. Very good, because 3 times 6 makes 18. So it would be 6. Got it? Okay, 10 laps in 2 days. So it would be 5 laps in a day. Got it? 2 times 5 makes 10. So it would be 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving to the next topic, and the next topic is scale drawings word problems. Let me write down the lesson name on the board. It would be scale drawings word problems. Okay, let's start with an example. So let's start with the first example. Okay, let me just read the example. Dan made a scale of a middle school. The scale of the drawing was 1 inch equals 6 feet. The actual length of gym is 90 feet. How long is the gym? How long is the gym in the drawing? Got it? So actually the length of the gym is 90 feet. So the ratio is 1. The scale is 1 inch to 6 feet. So it would be 1 inch to 6 feet. But you are given the actual length of the gym is 90 feet. That means in the feet is in the denominator. You have to make 90 in the denominators. 90 feet. So 6 times what number makes 6 times what number makes 90? You can divide 90 by 6. So it would be 15. That means you have to multiply the value with 15. Got it? So it would be 15 times 1 is 15 and 15 times 6 is 90. So that means if it is 90 feet in originally, then on the map it would be map or whatever. Then on the scale in the scale drawing, then the scale of the drawing is 15 inches. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. Kimberly made a scale drawing of a house and lots. The scale of the drawing is 1 inch to 3 feet. Okay, 1 inch to 1 inch to 3 feet. Okay, then the actual length of the house driveway is 24 feet. How long is the driveway in the how long is the driveway in the drawing? Okay, then you have given it as 20. To find the value in inches. Got it? So here you have 10, here you have 24. So 3, you need to find 3 times what number is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. Got it? So 3 times 8, you have to multiply this for numerator and denominator. So 8 times 1 is 8. That means if it is originally 24 feet, then on the scale it is 8 inches. Got it? So let's start with the test. Okay. Ma'am measured house and its lot and make a scale drawing. The scale she used was 1 inch equals 8 feet. Got it? So it is 1 over 8. So the scale is 1 inch equal divided by 8 feet. 1 inch divided by 8 feet. Basically, they are exactly same that we did on equivalent ratios. You have to find actually the equivalent ratios. Got it? So the actual width of the backyard is 40 feet. How wide is the yard in the drawing? So it would be 40 feet. So you need to find 8 times what number makes 40? 8 times 5 makes 40. So you have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 12. So 5 times 1 is 5. That means if it is 40 feet on the originally, then it is scaled to 5 inches. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, if you know the answers, please write the answers in the chat box. If you have any question, any confusion, you can write the question or confusion in the chat box. I'll answer all the questions you have. Got it? Okay, Daniel measured a neighborhood park and made a scale drawing. The scale of the drawing is 1 inches to 2 yards. Got it? It would be 1 inches to 2 yards. So the scale, okay, if a soccer field in the park is 45 inches in the drawing, how long is the actual field? Got it? It would be 40 inches actually. Mm, yes. If a soccer field is 5 inches in the field, how long is the actual field? Okay. So now you have to make 40. So 1 times what number makes 40? 1 times 40 makes 40. You have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 40. So it would be 40 times 2 is 80 yards. Got it? If it is 40 inches on the scale, then originally it is 80 yards. Got it? So the correct option is 80. Just select the correct option, click on the OK button. Yes, very good, Ola. It is. Oh, it is 45 inches. Sorry. I did it for 40. It is 45 actually. That's what I have did. It is 45. So 45 times 1 is 45 and 45 times 2 is 90. So now the correct option is 90. Yes, hi Ola. It is 90 because it is 45, not 40. Got it? Okay, Camille made a scale drawing of an Italian restaurant. The restaurant's kitchen is 2 centimeter wide in the drawing. The actual kitchen is 8 centimeters. What scale Camille used for the drawing? Got it? So it would be, uh, you have to find the scale. Got it? So the restaurant's kitchen is 2 centimeter wide in the drawing. So you have to find the actual kitchen is 8 meters wider. So you have to find the what scale does the what scale does the camels use for drawing? Okay, let's do it on the board. You have to find now scale. For the other two questions you are given with a scale, but for this one you have to find the scale actually. Got it? Okay, so the ratio is 2 meters and 2 over 8. It would be 2 centimeters to 8 meters. Got it? So you have to find now it would be 1 centimeter to, you have to find it would be 1 centimeter to how many meters. So 2 divided by what number makes 1, because it is smaller number, that means it is dividing. 2 divided by what number equals 1? 2 divided by 2 is 1, isn't it? That means you have to divide both numerator and denominator by the common number, that is 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. That means the unit is 1 centimeter to 4 meter. Got it? It is 1 centimeter to 4 meters. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. It is 4 meters. Very good, Ola. We have to divide it by 2. Okay, now the next one is Troy drew a scale drawing of a theater. He used a scale of 1 inches to 3 feet. So it would be 1 over 3. The actual length of the stage is 751 feet. 1 over 3, 1 inch to 3 feet. So if it originally it is 51 feet, how long is the drawing? It would be 50 feet. So 3 times what number makes 51? 17 times 3 is 51. Got it? You have to multiply numerator and denominator as well. So 17 times 1 is 17. That means originally it is 17 inches. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next topic is ratio tables. The next topic is ratio tables. Okay, you are given with the tables, you have to find a ratio between them. Got it? Like for the first example is you have to complete the table 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. You have the missing value. Then you have 30, 40, and 50. So you can find the missing value. Just look at the first one. It is 9 over 10. Got it? So you are given 18 here. So 9 times what number makes 18? 9 times 2 makes 18. So divide, multiply with the same number with the denominator. So 10 times 2 is 20. That means the missing number is 20. Got it? So the missing number is 20. Let's do another example. Okay, the next example is the table is 5, 10, 15, 20, and the missing number. Then you have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Got it? You have to find the missing number. Just look at the first one. The ratio is 5 over 6. So the missing number is at 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth place. Got it? That is the fifth place. So just multiply and divide it by the 5. So it would be 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 6 is 30. So that means the missing number is 25. Got it? So the missing number is 25. Okay, let's start with the test of the topic. The topic is ratio tables, and let's start with the test. Okay, the first one is 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. Let me just 7, 14, 21, 28, and 5, and the missing number is 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's start with the first one. 7 over 1. Then you have 14 over the missing number. So 7 times what number makes 14? 7 times 2 makes 14. So just multiply and divide with the 2. So it would be 7 times 2 is 14 and 2 times 1 is 2. That means the missing number is 2. Got it? Hi Nancy. So let's just start with another example. It would be 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And the missing numbers are 7, 14, 21, the missing number, and 35. 7, 14, 12, the missing number, and not 12, it is 21. Got it? We'll just look at the first ratio. It would be 2 over 7. Now, what number we are, the number is at the fourth place in the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just multiply and divide it with the 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 7 times 4 is 7 times 4 is 28. Got it? So that means the number is 28. So it would be 28. So the missing number is 28. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the table is 369, the missing number in 15. 369, the missing number in 15, and the other one is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So the first one is 3 over 2. So you have here you have 8. So 3 times what number is 8? So you have to multiply and divide it by the 8. 2 times 4 makes 8. So 3 times 4 is 12. That means the missing number is 12. Got it? Okay, the next one is the missing number is 12. Just select correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 1, 2, the day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the other one is 1, 2, 3, the missing number in 5. So what would be the value? It would be 4. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, now the next number one is 2, the missing number 6, 8, and 10. Okay, let me write it down on board. 2, the missing number 10, and the other one is 3, 6, 9, 10, and 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So the ratio would be 2 over 3. So here you have 6. So 2 times what number? 3 times what number makes 6? 3 times 2 makes 6. So just multiply and divide it by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. That means the missing value is 4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. And the next topic is the final test of the chapter. Got it? Let's start with the final test of the chapter. Let me write it down on the board. So we're going to start with the final test of the chapter ratios, proportions, and percents. So let's start with final test. Okay, when Logan works out, he spent 20 minutes doing cardio and 18 minutes doing resistance training. Harold's workout consists of 15 minutes of cardio and 12 minutes of training resistance training. Who does a lower ratio of cardio to resistance training? So one of the ratio is 20 by 18, and the other ratio is 50. So basically you have to compare both the numbers, right? Both the fractions. 15 over 12. Let me just see if it is the same fraction. It would be, yes, it would be 15 over 12. So basically you have to see which of the fraction is smaller and which of them is greater. Got it? So which fraction is smaller? It would be 15 out of 12. Got it? 15 out of 12 is a lower ratio of cardio to resistance training. Got it? You can write the answers as in percentage form. So 12 by 18, 20 by 18 is 20 divided by 18 is 1.11, just write it in percentage form, and then 15 over 20 is 15 over 15 divided by 12 is 1.25. Got it? So which one has the lower? So 20 by 18 is smaller than 5 over 12. Got it? So that means who has the smaller lower ratio? That means Logan has the lower ratio. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is during a round trip, Nancy stopped at two rest stops in a parking lot. Of first rest stop, she counted 12 cars and 10 trucks, so it would be 12 over 10. At the second shop, he counted 20 cars and 11 trucks. At which rest stop did Nancy count a lower ratio of cars to trucks? So it would be 12 over 10. It would be 12 over 10, and the other fraction is 20 over 11. So you can find, you can see which one is greater and which one is smaller by dividing them by the denominator and then multiplying with the 100. So it would be 1.2, and 1.2 times 100 is 120%. Got it? Okay, then 20 over 11 is 1.8, and when you multiply it to the 100, it would be 180%. Got it? So you need to see which of them has the lower, I think. Count a lower ratio. So which one has the lower ratio, first stop or the second stop? The first one. Got it? 120 is the smaller value. So the first stop has the lower ratio. Got it? Okay, the next one is Frank's Burger Place made 14 burgers with onions and 21 burgers without onion. What is the ratio of the numbers of the onions to the number of the burgers without onions? So it would be 14 ratio 21. Got it? Just select the correct and then click on the OK button. Okay, are these fractions equivalent 1 to 5 and 5 to 10? So it would be 1 to 5 and 5 to 10. Basically, you need to see if they are equivalent. 1 to 5 and 5 to 10. So what do you have to see? You need to see are the ratios are equivalent. So 5 times what number makes 10? You have to make the same. 5 times 2 makes 10. So you have to multiply this fraction by 2. 1 times 2 is 2 and 5 times 2 is 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 and 5 times 2 is 10. So both the fractions are not equivalent. Got it? So that is no. Are they equivalent? No. Got it? Okay, a bakery made 10 muffins that counted nuts and 40 muffins that count, did not count. What is the ratio of the number of burgers without nuts to the number of ratios with nuts? Got it? So 40 muffins that did not contain nuts. So it would be 40 ratio 10. Got it? Because 40 is the first one. The ratio, the number of muffins without nuts. So it would be 40 ratio 10. It would be 40 ratio 10. Just select correct. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Daniel measured a neighborhood park and made a scale drawing. The scale of the drawing is 1 inches to 2 yards. If a soccer field is in the park is 45 inches, what would be, how long is the actual field? So the ratio is 1 inches to 2 yards. Got it? 1 inches to 2 yards. So originally it is 1 inches. Got it? You need to find it in yards. 2 times what number is 1 times what number is 45 inches. Sorry, not 90. 1 times what number makes 45? 1 times 45 makes 45 and 2 times 45 makes 45 times 2 is 90. So it would be 90 yards. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Oscar drew a scale drawing of house and its lot. The scale drawing is 1 millimeter to 9 meter. In drawing, the part of back patio is 2 millimeters wide. So what is the width of the actual patio? So it would be 1 times what number makes 2? 1 times 2 makes 2. So 9 times 2 makes 18. Got it? The correct option is 18. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Do the ratios form a proportion? So if the fractions are equivalent, they form a proportion. So both of the fractions are not equivalent, so they don't form any proportion. The answer is so it would be no, they don't form any portion. Got it? Okay, 18 houses on 3 blocks. You have to find the unit rate. So how many fractions do we have? What is the unit? So how many houses per block? So it would be 3 times 6 is 18, means 6 houses in one block. Got it? The correct option is 6. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 15 donuts in 3 boxes. So how many donuts in one box? So how many donuts do we have in one box? 3 times 5 is 15. So you have 5 donuts in one box. Got it? Okay. Complete the ratio table. So the missing value is, yes, it is 5. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Do the ratios equivalent? 2 by 1 and 18 by 9. 2 by 1 and 18 over 9. Let's just do cross multiplication. 2 times 9 and 1 times 18. So 2 times 9 is 18 and 18. So are they equivalent? Yes, they are equivalent. Got it? Because they have a same value. So they are equivalent. The answer is yes. Got it? Okay. The next one is in the auditorium. There are 39 chairs and 11 blue, 39 red chairs and 11 blue chairs. What is the ratio of the red chairs to the number of blue chairs? So red ratios are 39. So it would be 39 ratio 11. Got it? That's all for today. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered 4 of the topics today, and the topics are unit rates and equivalent ratios, scale drawings, word problems, ratio tables, and final test. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. Got it? If you need more help with any of the test question or any of the topic, please go to Skype. You can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.